adventures. And I'm Lewis and my baby brother's Leo. And if you were wondering, we're going to teach you how to make stir fry. We're going to we have all the stuff ready and we're going to get cutting. But first we have to cut this, but not everything else. Everything ready, and we need to put everything in the pan. First to go in the pan is the vegetables. Here's the vegetables. Guys, we are going to, now they cooked a little bit, we are going to take them out and cook the chicken. Now we're going to put the chicken in the pan. Now the chicken is very good. We can put the vegetables in again. Yeah. Now they're both cooking at the same time. We are going to put the sauce in. So now we've done it all, we're going to put the noodles in. That's our stir fry all done.